Hello, good afternoon. So, gagawa tayo ngayon ng ulam ng hapunan natin. Mayroon tayong drumstick dito. So, imamarinate lang natin. Simple lang itong ingredients natin sa drumstick natin. Kasi air fry lang natin. So, kung wala kayong air fryer, pwede rin nyo to i-prito. So, deep fry. So, of course, mayroon tayong lemon. Simpleng recipe lang. 2 lemon. Black pepper. Not too much. Of course, meron tayong garlic powder. Garlic powder is very important. Just a little bit of salt. And of course, silver swan kasi Pinoy tayo. Ika nga, sabi ng mga bata, tatak pato. So, konti lang. So, just a little bit of amount of silver swan. So don't worry if not like us is not salty or the taste is not really good for like what's this is not enough in your mouth, the salt or the taste of whatever, because this is ipiprito natin or air fryer. May sausawan pa tayo mamaya. Nagkabulol-bulol na, no? Kasi English eh. Ganito kasi yon eh. Pag hindi kayo satisfied na kung hindi maalat o ano, walang problema yon. Kasi mas maganda pa yung medyo matabang kaysa maalat. Kasi pag maalat, wala nang repair. So pag matabang, pwede mong gawin sa sausawan na lang. Bawi ka na lang sa sausawan. Of course, meron tayong magic sarap. That's it. Marinate for 2 hours. Kung hindi naman kayo nagmamadali, overnight is okay. But 2 hours is good enough. So just cover some plastic and then put in the fridge. But if only 2 hours, so no need to put in the fridge. Okay? Ubira natin. This is good also for deep frying. Kung wala kayong if you don't have any like air fryer, so it's good for deep fry. Don't put too much ingredients. You know why? Baka ang lasa hindi nyo magustuhan, kaya huwag na damihan ng ingredients. Kasi may sausawa naman tayo. So, may dipping tayo pagluto na to. Okay, yun lang muna mga guys. See you for the next video. Doon sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe, like, and share. Bye-bye!